Rĩu kuma ira tũraiguire mũrurumo haha kũrarĩ na ntaituĩka morona nginya makraki gũkũ. Rĩu mũgũnda ũyũ nĩ ũthiaga thĩ. Tũkwenda tũhoe thirikari nene yoke tũteithĩrĩrie gũkũ.
Barabara inaisha, hii ni ya pili sasa. Ya kwanza ilichimbuka, hii sasa ni ya pili. Sasa ikiendelea hivi, sasa Nakuru ni kama hatuko tena. Kama imeanza hivi. Hii si mara ya kwanza, kuna ingine tena ilichimbuka pale chini. Ikiendelea hiyo sasa ni dalili inatuambia Nakuru si kuzuri.
And Kenha and our geologists have been working on this section from here to Ngata because of the activities that we have seen along this path, which I want to presume we could be having a fault line.
What has happened because of the rains is it causes the overlying material above the pyroduct to collapse, and that is why we are seeing very deep gullies, and for some time now it has been progressing towards the road. So we have inspected, we have confirmed that even though the failure came to the shoulder of the road, the integrity of the pavement is okay and it is safe.